everyone, welcome to Desire UPSC Vlogs. Today's video is less of a study vlog and more about plan with me. If you guys are new to the channel, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon to keep yourself updated with new content. Today I woke up around 7:30 in the morning and currently it's 8 o'clock. It is a cloudy day, so that's why everything is very pleasant. And today I didn't go outside for a morning walk, but beside it today I went upstairs on my terrace and I did some of the stretching exercise. I did it for half an hour, like 40 minutes, and then after I came back home I got freshened up. Currently it is around 8:30 and I'm ready, and now I'm having my breakfast. In breakfast today I'm having cinnamon and lemongrass tea, and along with I'm having this Karachi tutti frutti biscuit. Today I was a little late, so I didn't get much time to prepare something healthy, so that's why I'm having this biscuits. Otherwise I don't prefer them, but it was good to have it sometimes. Currently it is around 9 o'clock in the morning and I have started with my first study session of the day. And for the first study session of the day I have chosen economics and I am reading Union Budget 2021, and this was the particular section which was left, so that's why I'm studying it. And after it I'll be also revising a few notes of my economics which I have prepared earlier. My economic study session was around 2 hours and currently it is 11 o'clock and I'm almost about to end this study session. And after having half an hour break, currently it is around 11:30 and I have started with my planning because now it is like 1st July, so that's why I have to plan things for entire month. So that's why I have started the planning. Whenever I plan things for entire month or entire week, I mostly prefer that things are really handy, and that's why I really like to draw things on my own, and that's why I'm drawing a timetable, the calendar for the entire month. But if you guys are not a kind of a person who likes to draw things or to spend more amount of time into that, you can just simply print a monthly calendar, and that will help you to mark out the dates and put your things over there, that what things need to be done in certain amount of days. So yes, in that manner having calendar in front of you really helps, because sometimes it happens with me that when things are in my phone or in my diary, it happens that I tend to forget. So that's why I like one thing on my pin board, so where I can have the days. So in my this calendar I have marked like Sunday with red and other dates with black. So mostly I prefer that on Sunday I'll do most of my revision work. So I don't try to learn something new, but mostly like whatever things which I have learned in entire week, I try to revise everything on the Sunday. So that is my plan for the Sunday. Just below the calendar I have put an empty strip and it has a lot of notes, like what I am supposed to do on certain days. For example, Monday to Friday I will be learning new video lectures, and from that I will be making notes. So half of my time would be spent on that. So whatever syllabus is left I'll be covering those video lectures. The second thing will be that I'll be reading current affair magazines for certain months, and also I'll be revising certain amount of things. On Saturday I will be revising my test and also doing some answer writing practice for mains, and Sunday will be mostly consist of revision. The same thing I also like to draw the entire calendar in my daily diary. So I have for entire month I draw this thing, and broadly I write everything on the diary itself. But apart from that I also, like, there are some other activities which I do YouTube. So like what things, like how many days I have to work for YouTube, so that thing are also written over there. Apart from that, like mostly the weekly plans, what things are left, so the weekly plans are included in my daily diary. And apart from this I also make some of the target list, like by end of the month what things need to be achieved. So all those things are written over there. Like I have to complete current affair magazine, I have to complete the ethics portion, I have to do CSAT practice, sociology means test series I have to attempt, I have to do like revisions on every Sunday, current affair videos need to be watched every day. So all these kind of things need to be done like in span of entire month, and if I'm able to do it, then I have to tick mark everything by the end of the month. So all this planning took me around like 1 hour 30 minutes, because lot of thought process also goes into it to set targets for myself, and like those targets should be achievable. So it took me around 1 hour 30 minutes, and after that I took half an hour break. In the break I watered my plants. Whenever we plan things for ourselves, especially for studies, or we are setting any of the target list for ourselves, one thing is really important, that whatever goals or targets we set for ourselves, those should be achievable. Because otherwise, if you're not able to complete it on time, it might demotivate us. So it is really important that we calculate the time in a perfect manner. So for example, if I take a 15 days or 18 days to complete a monthly magazine, so I'll have that time calculated. Second thing, like for example, if I'm watching some video lecture and it is around like 30 to 45 minutes long, but it took me around 2 hours 30 minutes to write entire notes out of that video lecture. So in this manner you can plan your things out, that how much time you require to complete a book or a magazine, or to complete a video lecture, or to write notes out of it. So in this manner you can plan things well. After half an hour break, I came back to my study area, and here I am writing some of the important tips and tricks which I got to learn from Topper's talk. And for example, if there is any issue in the current affairs or any other thing, so we need to know like what is the historical background of it, what is the factual content, what is the current status, like what is in the news, challenges, pros and cons about it, opportunities and conclusion, or what are the benefits. So these are the things like which I need to keep in mind when I'm writing my notes. So that's why I want these things in front of my eye. So that's why I decided to write it in the sticky note and paste on my tackboard. If I keep such tips and tricks in front of my eye, it is definitely going to affect the way I'm writing notes, because I'll be keeping important points in my mind, that what certain dimensions I have to keep in mind while writing the notes. So it is really beneficial. I completed this at 2 o'clock, making the sticky notes, and after it I had my lunch. It took me half an hour to complete my lunch, and currently it is around 2:30 and I'm out, and I'm going out because I have to take my vaccination. Me and my sister, we both went for COVID vaccination, and once we had our vaccines, we were asked to sit over there for half an hour under observation. And while we were sitting under observation, we saw like there were a lot of pigeons out there, and we were really enjoying watching them. In last study vlog, there was a contest that if you want to talk with me, you just have to participate in the simple contest, and the rules are: first you have to subscribe to my channel, second you have to like my study vlog, and third you have to post any of the motivational quote in the comment section down in my video, or you have to write anything which you like in my video. And for that contest, for my 10th study vlog, Fiza Fatima was a winner, and it was very pleasant experience of mine to talk with her. And for this vlog also there is a contest, and you can get a chance to talk with me, and you have to follow the same steps, and everything regarding the contest will be written in the description, so you can get details from there also. Currently it is around 7:30, and it took us little long to come back home, because in between we did some work which was given by mom, and when we came home we took shower, we sanitized ourselves, so that's why it took a little long. And currently I'm watching current affair videos on YouTube. I'm trying to fill it with the stars. I completed this video, then I sat with Current Affairs Vision Eyes magazine to read the current affairs. Then I took half an hour break and I went to this YouTube channel of Amit Sen Gupta. I really like this YouTube channel, and this is not some kind of paid promotion, but I really like the videos, and especially the new video which that faculty has posted, and it has a lot of quick explanation about things, that how rivers are formed or how mountains or centuries are formed. So these videos are very like made in a very lucent English, and it is very simple, but it really helps these concepts, and I really like this channel. There are a lot of videos regarding other subjects like other GS like history, for economics, like those things are also there, so you guys must go and check this out. I really found this beneficial. After watching this, I completed my dinner at 10:30, and after it, because I took COVID-19 vaccine, I was feeling little bit feverish and dizzy, and I was not feeling good, and I didn't have much energy to sit on my study table on my chair. So that's why I decided to watch my video lectures in my tab while lying on the floor. I watched tab lecture videos for 1 hour, but after that I didn't feel much energy to study due to fever. So that's why I decided to end the study session and continue my study in next day. On this note, I would like to end the study session. Happy study hours to all. If you guys like my video, then do give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, then write it in the comment section below. I will try to answer them all. Thank you guys for watching my video.